Hey folks, I'm HPCrazy and this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is a mean, hypnotic, Phrygian metal chord riff. Let's call it like this, or whatever you want to call it. That's how it sounds. And so on. I just played all possible variations of it, but I'm going to show the basic one. The variations, they are very easy to adapt. So let's get started. First with the sound settings. As you can hear, ping pong delay. Oh, whoa, that was the wrong note. That doesn't matter. Ping pong delay goes left, right. Set on the quarter beat of the song, in this case 120 BPM, which would see, if you don't have a tap delay function, this would be 500 milliseconds on your delay setting, and the feedbacks have to be 7 repeats. This creates a hypnotic effect. Now, let's see how the riff works. First, without the delay. Of course, I've used the British amp with the 4x12 cabinet, some compression on it, and that's it. So now let's see how it's played. Since the riff is played in E, it's very easy. We have the open E string. So first exercise to play the riff, you need to be able to play proper, let's say sledgehammer-like 8 notes, like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and all the way down strokes together with the beat. This is how it works. So you could do something else with your fingers, like this or whatever. So, now let's hear the other part. It's very easy. It's in Phrygian, E Phrygian. We're playing on one string here on the 7th fret, 8th, 10th, back, and also the 5th fret. So it starts here. So the let's say the melody line is like. Oops. So the melody itself is very easy with this fingering. 8, 7, 8, 7, 8, 7, 8, 10, 8, 7, 5, 7. But now the rhythm is a little bit tricky. When you count through, that's why it's play the tabs, there you see the rhythm. When you play, it starts 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. So this is on 4 and 1 is skipped, and on one end you come in with the bass note. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and then on 4 you come back here again. Even it's easy to grab. The rhythm is not so easy. It's really hot in here. It's like 40 degrees outside. This morning at 10 o'clock it was 40 degrees Celsius at my house. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. That's how this way it gets hypnotic, because it somehow moves around a bit. You don't know exactly where the 1 is, but you have this sledgehammer type of. So let's try just this part. So this is the first part. Now if you want to have some more hypnotic feeling in it, you can add some pinch harmonics. Add also on this one that it's kind of edgy. Somehow they nearly come the pinch harmonics, but not totally. See, you switch a little bit from no pinch harmonics to a little bit pinch harmonics. Now comes the second part, which is a little bit more tricky. So we have this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 3 on 4 and 1 on 2 and so on the 1 we have 2 8s here on the bass, and you can see it in the tabs. 1 and then on 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, and on 4 you come again with the riff. So that's how the whole thing works. And if you make head banging as I did before, always when the head is down, then the upper note comes. See? Yeah, let's see how it works. Now I'm gonna add the delays, to make it more hypnotic. 1, 2, 3. That's how it works. If you want to make it more dramatic, then just start with 8 notes, just and then you like prepare the thing to cook it. It's like with the chicken, you don't fry it immediately. First warm it up and then you cook it. So let's make warm up. First let the band play, and now we come in. Oh, we are mean. Now you can do anything else with your fingers. Now it starts. Yeah. Now in the last part I made it more dramatic by, instead of playing single notes, I played the chords, power chords, which are the same thing. You just add power chords here from 7, 9 to 8, 10 to 10, 12 to 8, 10 to 7, 9 to 5, 7 to 7, 9. Yeah, but personally I like it with a single note line, make more dramatic. But if you can add something additional if you want, I'm sweating like an idiot. You can add 16 notes in between. You only have 2 beats time, and then you go, it gets back to the like. You can add a little bit, slide 16 notes in between, but it's not really necessary. I would prefer go for the steady one. So let's fry the chicken. Fry the chicken. First the band plays. Now we start. Yeah, dudes, that's how the cookie crumbles. And now we come to the last part, the head banging. Of course, I'm not so an expressive personality, but it really helps when you can do it. You need to practice it that you're on time and your head goes with it. And now it comes to theme, get more extreme. Yeah. And that's how the cookie crumbles. Yeah, I hope I could help you here with this cool little riff here. And I just want to talk about the new features which are available now online. It's very cool. Follow me on Spotify. The follow link is at my website, hpcrazy.com. Follow me on Google itself. I'm going to post messages on Google itself. When you search for HPCrazy in Google, they're going to be my blog or with stuff which I'm posting there. You can follow it there. Just hit the following thing there and that's it. Cool. Or follow me on Facebook. It's on my website. Yeah, you're going to see it. So, and if you loved it, give Dr. Pink something to eat. Yeah, Dr. Pink become a little bit slim now. He has too much to eat, so make a donation on my website and that's it, more or less.